Hey everybody, it's Jeff Meyer, Landmark Properties. Today we're touring the Conservatory. It is a sister community to Hammock Beach Resort, which is right on the ocean. Fantastic golfing community. You're going to enjoy this. Probably one of the best valued places you can currently get a brand new home. Spectacular golf course, luxurious homes. Here we go. Now this community, it consists of 340 home sites. It's on about 550 acres. It's right about a mile from the I-95. Just a cool little spot, great location. We're just south of St. Augustine, probably about 5 miles south of the St. Augustine border. As you notice, there's a lot of vacant lots here. To come in here, there's 5 preferred builders, and there's one that's in the process of being approved. Actually, I spoke with them yesterday, and not a whole lot of people know this, but they just picked up 30-some lots, and they're going to come in here and increase the value. So this is a great place to buy, great place to invest, a spectacular place to live. So enjoy this little ride. And the lots at one time, back when this Bobby Ginn project, they were going, there was a lottery actually, and you had to get in line to get these lots. They'd only allow you to have so many, and they were going for between $400,000 and $450,000. And believe it or not, you can get a lot in here today for under $100,000. Actually, anywhere from $30,000 to $100,000, and right on this spectacular golf course. Minimum square footage to build is anywhere from 2,200 to 2,700, just depending on the lot. And as you'll see, these are all brand new. We're coming up on a good friend of mine just built his house here last year. Just loves it. Currently, there are about 40 homes available, or 40 lots available for sale. And we've got 2 homes, and they're priced between $450,000 and $550,000. But I'm anticipating homes starting in the upper 300s to the low 600s. And coming up over here on the left, one of my favorite holes. It's the Island Green over here. Spectacular. There actually used to be a PGA tournament here. The last year they ran out Bobby Ginn tournament was in 2008, and players such as Davis Love and Charles Howell III, I believe. I think he won the last tournament here. As you'll notice, this golf course is one of my favorites. And to be able to live here for around $400,000 to $600,000 that's just crazy. And the Conservatory, you'll see we're coming up here. This is the 18th fairway here that we're going to be driving alongside to our left. And you're going to see the Conservatory clubhouse over here. And the way it was named, it's a Tom Watson golf course. So Tom Watson named this after the British-style glass dome, and that's why they call it the Conservatory Clubhouse and the Conservatory neighborhood. Great number 9 here. Fantastic little. And the clubhouse is practice facilities. Inside the clubhouse, it's got weight rooms, it's got restaurants, it's got very elaborate locker rooms. Last time we were in there, they're playing poker, hanging out. Just a fun spot. Very community orientated, and lots of stuff to do around here. And if you feel like going to the beach, your sister course, you can play over there in the ocean. This is the clubhouse straight ahead. We won't pull in there right yet, but you can see it. Huge pool in the back. Watch them tee off 1 to 10. Very nice spot. And I'm not sure if it still is, but this golf course was the longest golf course in Florida at one time. Now, from the tips, it's just under 7,800 yards, which is a little bit more than I have in my bag, but they have, I think, 5 sets of tees that range anywhere from 6,200 to 7,800. Like I said, the location is just fantastic. It's right on the outskirts of Palm Coast. It's close to I-95, so you can get anywhere relatively quick, and you're only about 10 minutes from the beach club. I think there's a newer build over here. I'm not sure if that's an Olsen build. Quality builders. They got real good builders here. I think if you're looking for a second home, you're looking for a permanent home, or you're looking for just a great investment, I'm seeing this area just, as soon as they close on these 30 lots and start building, I think the prices are gonna really go through the roof. So it's a good time to get in, especially if you can get in, in the 400s. And just to the north of us, Princess Place Park, beautiful little spot, a lot of history to that. You drive in there, you can go fishing. I think they have camping sites. They have several events with music events there throughout the year. And this is the last road. It heads out to the back gate. And this is Aspen. Actually, I used to own a lot on this street here. Looking at a couple more, because we are thinking of building once the new builder gets in here, and seeing if we can get something. Here's where our lot used to be. It's a beautiful spot. And again, Palm Coast is the up-and-coming spot of Florida. It's affordable. It's got, like I said, we're close to everything between I-4 and I-10, I-95, which is, like I said, a mile to our west here. And a lot of new stuff going on here. So you guys really need to, if you're interested, give me a call. I can't release a new builder's name yet, but if you call me, I can tell you who it is, and we can talk a little bit about it and what they've got going. I've got several of their models. I've actually sold a couple of their homes in other neighborhoods, and they've got a great reputation, and their price points are going to be very, very attractive. And right past this gate here, it's going to take us. We're going to go to, it's on Old Kings, and Old Kings goes north and south. And you guys really need to give us a call if you have any questions at all. Again, Jeff Meyer from Landmark Properties. And if you go to conservatoryrealestate.com, you can see some additional videos and some additional pictures. Thanks for riding along with us. Talk to you soon. Cheers.